Let's take a look at how to approve an inspection in Safety Culture. We'll start with the mobile app. Once an approval request has been sent, you'll receive a notification. Tap it to open the inspection. Review the inspection details, including any notes, media, or actions. Then head to the final page and fill out the approval steps. Tap Complete to approve the inspection. Your team will be notified, and the inspection will be marked as complete. Now let's switch to the web app. To approve an inspection on the web app, open the Notifications tab. Now click the approval request. Review the inspection, ensuring all details are correct. Then go to the final page. Follow the approval steps, and click Complete to finalize the inspection. If you and your team need to create or edit approval workflows, search Approval Workflow in our Help Center. For this and more, head to help.safetyculture.com.